This is Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show how you can extend the random access memory amount on this device. So first you will need to launch settings, then scroll the page and find the additional settings category. At the additional settings page, you will need to enter the memory extension section, that is the function inside the special features category. And then here simply tap at the amount of gigabytes you would like to increase your RAM for. In my case that's 3. And now the mandatory step is to reboot the system or reload the device in order for those changes to be properly and correctly applied, or simply saying in order for those changes to take effect. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.